Yo, welcome to this video on the best types of video recruitment campaigns to hire top talent for your business. My name is Julian Tillotson, and I'm here to guide you through the process of creating a successful video recruitment campaign. In today's competitive job market, it's crucial to attract and retain the best talent for your business. Video recruitment campaigns are a powerful tool that can help you achieve this goal. Not only do they allow you to showcase your company culture and values, but they also give candidates a glimpse into the day-to-day work environment and potential career opportunities at your company. So, without further ado, let's dive into the best types of video recruitment campaigns that you can run to hire top talent for your business. The first type of video recruitment campaign that we recommend is a brand culture video. This type of video should showcase your company culture and values and highlight what makes your workplace unique and special. You can include interviews with employees, footage of team building activities, and shots of your office space. The goal of a brand culture video is to give candidates a sense of what it's like to work at your company and help them envision themselves as a part of your team. When done well, a brand culture video can be a powerful tool for attracting top talent who share your company's values and mission. The second type of video recruitment campaign that we recommend is a job preview video. This type of video should give candidates an insight into the day-to-day work environment and the type of projects they can expect to work on if they join your company. You can include shots of employees working on exciting projects, interviews with team leads and managers, and footage of your office space. The goal of a job preview video is to give candidates a clear understanding of what the job entails and what they can expect from their day-to-day work. The third type of video recruitment campaign that we recommend is a career growth video. This type of video should highlight the career development opportunities available at your company and how you will support employees in achieving their career goals. You can include interviews with employees who have grown within your company, footage of career development activities such as training sessions and workshops, and shots of your leadership team. The goal of a career growth video is to demonstrate to candidates that your company is committed to their personal growth and development. Next up on our list of top video recruitment campaigns is a philanthropic video. This type of video should showcase the philanthropic activities that your company is involved in and how you give back to the community. You can include interviews with your employees who have volunteered their time, footage of philanthropic activities such as charity events and community outreach programs, and shots of your company's philanthropic initiatives. The goal of a philanthropic video is to demonstrate to candidates that your company is not just focused on profits, but also on making a positive impact in the world. The fifth type of video recruitment campaign that we recommend is a team collaboration video. This type of video should showcase how employees work together and collaborate on projects to achieve success. You can include interviews with employees who have worked on successful projects together, footage of team building activities and brainstorming sessions, and shots of your office space that highlight your open and collaborative work environment. The goal of a team collaboration video is to demonstrate to candidates that your company values teamwork and collaboration and that you have a culture that fosters success through collaboration. And last but definitely not least on our list is the day in the life recruitment video. This type of video should give candidates a realistic and engaging view of what it's like to work at your company on a typical day. You can include interviews with employees about their roles and responsibilities, footage of them completing tasks and collaborating with colleagues, and shots of your office space that showcase your company culture and environment. The goal of a day in the life video is to give candidates a realistic preview of what they can expect from their day-to-day work and provide a glimpse into what it's like to be a part of your team. When creating a day in the life video, it's important to focus on authenticity and transparency. Candidates are looking for a genuine sense of what it's like to work at your company, so don't be afraid to showcase the challenges and rewards of the job. Additionally, you can make your day in the life video more interactive by adding captions or call to actions that prompt candidates to learn more about your company or apply for the job. This can help keep candidates engaged and encourage them to take the next step in the application process. A day in the life video is a powerful way to give candidates an authentic and engaging view of what it's like to work at your company. By focusing on authenticity and transparency and interactivity, you can create a video that not only attracts top talent, but also helps candidates envision themselves as part of your team. So there you have it, the 6 best types of video recruitment campaigns that you can run to hire top talent for your business. Remember, video is a powerful tool that can help you attract and retain the best talent and showcase your company culture, values, and career opportunities. With the right recruitment campaign, you can differentiate your company from competitors and create a powerful brand image that resonates with top talent. So go ahead and get started on your video recruitment campaign today and see the positive impact it has on your recruiting efforts. If you're ready to create the ultimate recruitment campaign for your brand, check us out at INDIRAP.com. We've created hundreds of killer recruitment campaigns for brands from coast to coast in every industry under the sun. We'd love to help you create something amazing for your brand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on video production and marketing. Until next time, I'm out.